Brother June from Pinoy Hugot. Yan po. Sabi nung iba, mag-original daw ako ng kanta ko. Okay? Because lip-sync po yung mga kinakanta ko ng mga naraan. Okay? So, ayan po. Ito yung bike ko. Nag-bike ko ngayon. At tumigil ako sa isang bus stop. At wala naman tao. So, ayan. Kaya kakanta ako ngayon dito. At hindi po ito lip-sync. Okay? Pakinggan niyo po. This is Brother June from Pinoy Hugot.
Love, can't you see I'm alone? Can't you give this full of tears? A little love is all I ask. A little kindness in the night. Please don't leave me behind.